Sometimes I got a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before, no. And I just gotta tell you right now that I really do believe that something's got a hold on me, yeah. Oh, something's got a hold on me right now, time.
Serà després del compte enrere. 10, 9, 8, ajuda'm, 7, ajuda'm, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 'Hugo Figueras passant la línia de meta, completant la Marató del Priorat, la primera edició. Li donen la medalla com a primer classificat, arriben després d'aquests dos participants.